10 is to 1. 10 compliments a day, then you are eligible to give one soft feedback. Soft. Okay, no criticism tone. You cannot say the salt is not there in the food. That is criticism. Yeah, it's good. I think it can be done more better. That is feedback. Ten is to 1, 10 genuine compliment and one soft feedback. Soft, very soft, mild. I mean, like a homeopathy medicine.
Pure workaholic, was focusing more and more on job because that was the only thing I was knowing. And the irony was, I used to think I'm putting a lot of work and a lot of hard work. But when we're coming to home, my wife was telling that you're not giving any time. And you have no time for me. And I used to wonder, कि यार इतना फिर मेहनत किसके लिए कर रहा हूँ? But then, after going through a lot of counseling session with you, I realized that it's not about the first, no matter how much work I am putting, there's one thing called emotional account bank balance. Until unless we are not going to keep that at the positive side, आप कितना ही मेहनत कर लो, it is not going to work.
So yeah, there was a after attending these sessions, there's a huge difference what I can see in him, because very I'll say patiently, better than before. He patiently listened to me, take out time specifically, time. Few clashes still happen, in timings. And another thing I would like to add over here is this session made me more mature, which was really required. I got actually a broader vision about how the other person thinks. I got to know him more, how basically the boy thinks, and how broader way or the vision he carries. Because when we talk with each other, we get to know where he is going, and he gets to know where I am leading and what we need to achieve.